Mainsaver helps you stay on top of work orders for preventive maintenance, and ensure that you have the parts and resources you need to keep your essential assets up and running. PM master records serve as templates used for planning, scheduling, and tracking preventive maintenance work orders. To create a new PM, start by selecting the New button in the toolbar. Next, enter a title that identifies the PM. This title will carry over the generated work orders. Select the status of the PM and the user-defined frequency at which preventive maintenance should occur. Select either an asset number or an asset package. The next create date and next due date will automatically calculate based on the selected PM frequency and the last date on which preventive maintenance occurred. Adjust the last PM date as needed to obtain the desired next due date. Enter a description of the preventive maintenance to perform. Select the cost center that the PM should use if not already selected. Select the group associated with the PM. Select the status to assign to work orders generated from the PM. Finally, select the Save button. After saving, you can freely navigate between the tabs to plan necessary tasks, services, and materials. Most commonly, you will use the Labor tab to plan craft times,